Dear friends, I am Suresh Govind, author of Conquer Your Beliefs. I am deeply grateful to Vikram for having given me the opportunity to appear on his show, Sip and Talk with Vikram. In fact, I did not imagine that my video will get so many views. It's already crossed 1,700 views in the last 3 weeks. It's a wonderful platform for any new author or an established author to be showcased on the mainstream platform. It's a great initiative by Vikram Khaitam, and I wish him all the best. And I wish him from the depth of my heart that this YouTube channel will be successful and will enable a lot of authors to be showcased on his platform. Wish you all the best, Vikram. Thank you.